is Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.
We teach you the overlooked form of real estate, mobile home investing.
Yes, we teach you everything you need to know on how to be successful with mobile homes. We teach you how to flip mobile homes for cash profit. We teach you how to put mobile homes on payments with seller financing, creating that cash flow. We teach you how to wholesale mobile homes. So yes, you can get started with no money down and other no money down strategies as well.
Curious to learn more? Make sure you sign up for our free live webinars every Wednesday. We have an ebook that shows you exactly how to flip a mobile home. We also have everything that Sharnice explained earlier in our Elite e-course. And if you need more hands-on training, we have our Elite Fast Track program, which is a 10-week program that will get you on your way.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button to catch all of our upcoming videos. And if you love what you've seen, hit that like or share button.
All of the links to those wonderful things, click below to get started. We hope you enjoy our channel. Welcome to the family.